One hop, not 3, 5, 6, 7. One. Jump. Go. Oh, God.
I have that on video.
Gregor, are you okay? How are you not able to step out of the boat? Are you okay? He looks like he handicapped pretty hard. Damn it, man. Oh, man.
That's going on YouTube.
Oh, man. Did you get that?
I have that.
Are you alright, dude?
I knew it was gonna be awesome.
Oh, are you alright? Carry him out. Alright. Give me your hand. Come on, man. Alright? Carry him out. Is that you? Alright? Oh, baby.
Greg, you hit your head hard.
Why are you falling all over? That was Gregory?
Guys, we're gonna have to leave him in the boat for the night. He's gonna have to sleep here.
God's sake, just stand up and exit the goddamn boat. I'm gonna throw you into the damn suction cup, alright?
I have this all on video.
Did I see that right?
Oh, yeah,
I
so.
did.
He's fallen like he's fallen 3 times and trying to get out of the
I
boat.
just saw the shadow go like this. Gregor. Come on, bud. It's not algebra. Don't stop. Walk this way, guys. I'm okay. Did you guys catch anything? Get off of them. Grab him. I got both. Travis, help me. Here.
You have to hold him.
You guys catch anything? Yeah, graceful. Where are you?
Carry him away.
Hey, man. He's so great.
I honestly don't even know how he's standing after that fall. You should have seen his head hit.
Oh, you waited to see this video. You guys catch anything, Tommy?
No, sir, we did not.
We had one jump in.
One
literally jumped into our boat.
of us does.
Yeah, we were all had like one jump in. We're like, whoa, that guy.